Like many people, has our feet a little bit flat, so the arch of the foot is not lifted up enough. Yeah, so we want to get this lift here. Good, excellent. From here, 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 here. Hi and welcome back to Kalari Lab Online. This week I'm joined by Ella from Sweden.
Hello.
So we're going to look today at a couple of things. The first thing I want to look at is exercises for conditioning the ankle, because Ella, like many people, has our feet a little bit flat, so the arch of the foot is not lifted up enough. Yeah, so we want to get this lift here, an increasing tone in the deep front line, which lifts the foot up. So that's the first thing we're going to look at. Second thing, we're going to look at some plyometric exercises. Plyometrics are exercises used a lot in martial arts, where you're trying to get a large amount of force out of a muscle in a very quick time. And what this does is it increases the power, or basically strength, in a direct sort of explosive movement. Yeah. So what we're going to do for these, we're going to use certain exercises which cause a rapid contraction and then extension of the muscle. So please now, to stay up to date and keep yourselves motivated, hit the subscribe button and kick the bell. Excellent, well done. Following the course like this, and then a little bending down and up. Now, for someone who has a flat foot, this can be very difficult, so we can adapt it. So, you want to bring your arms out. Great. Lift up the foot. Excellent. Looking straight. Looking straight. That's it. Good. Just relax your body. Good. Now, little bending down and up. Good. Bending down and up. Try and carry on. So, what Ella's doing here, I've made it a lot easier for her, but I can reduce the amount of support that I'm giving with my hands gradually. Keep looking straight. Good. Good. And relax. Good. That's it. And change legs. Change legs. Good. And reaching out with the arms, looking straight. Looking straight. Good. Good. And bending down and up. Good. So in this way, she's able to still do the exercise. And we've got to make sure that the knee doesn't drop in, which it's not. The knee is doing well. Okay. And rest. Good. Now, the second exercise that we have for lifting up this arch of the foot is just the elephant. An elephant, the position that you know very well. So you can see just above, if you just click on this link, you can look and see the elephant pose. So we'll just refresh it. So you bring your feet together, open the toes, hold the ground with the big toe, open the feet. So you want the hair to be about hip width apart, 2.5 to 3 hand lengths, and facing forwards, very parallel. Then bring the arms up, fingers down, thumb on top, 2 elbows together, hands to the chest, forward. And as you go down, open the knees and sit back. Then that's it, a little bit up here. Good. And now lift the chest forward. Good. Now, for now, just release the arms. So what we want to really make sure, lift this up a bit more, is that we're getting this lift here. So open your toes up, hold the ground with your toes. That's it. And that's it. Keep the knees outside and keep this a little bit back. And here you'll start to see this lifting happening. You can come in a little bit closer and you can see this lifting up of the foot. So keep that knee outside. That's it. And keep this back. Keep these open. And that's starting to contract and lift up 2 strap tendons under the foot, which pull the arch of the foot up. Good, and relax. Excellent. Okay, so just doing it like that, planting the feet very securely, and if the feet are coming in, then when you lift this up, it lifts them up. Okay, great. Now, to make this exercise a little more strengthening, so at the same time it's working to increase stability in the ankle, but also the knee joint and the hip joint, we can make it a plyometric exercise. So we make it a jump. So, feet together, open the toes, open the feet, good. Then up and down. Yes. Good. A little bit lift the tailbone. Excellent. Hands behind the back. So you can just put your arms here. Then soften the knees. And we're going to jump forwards, a small jump. Try to land with no sound. Good. Keep the feet a little closer together. That's it. One more. Good. And relax. Excellent. Well done. Okay, let's try once more. So feet together. Open. Open. Good. Going up. And then all the way down. That's it. Arms behind the back. Little bit lift the tailbone. Good. I mean looking straight. So here. Jump. Good. Jump. Excellent. And rest. Good. Okay. Okay. Have a little sit down. Have a rest. We can sit on the side of the pool. Okay. Good. So what we'll do now, I'll just show you how to progress that little bit. So from here, when you're down here, you can come forward and back. Forward and back. Make sure you keep the right space between the feet. Don't let them drift out. And try to always land solid on the two knees. Good, okay. So this is increasing stability and strength in all of these joints. Now, one more plyometric that we can use from the horse pose, from here, 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 here. So try to get each time the feet flat on the floor. Good, okay. So we're going to show you now the frog jump, and then we're going to take the frog jump into the pool, because frogs like the water. So if you want to just sit down, squat down. Now the heels, if you can, keep them on the floor. So again, we're looking to increase the length of the Achilles tendon here. So we're looking at structuring the ankle still. Keep the hands here flat on the floor. Now all I want you to do is to come up from here, jump and land. Good, excellent. Once more, come back. Squat down, heels flat on the floor, and jump and land. Good, and we'll do once more. Now this time when you do it, I want you to bring your arms up as high as you can, but keep looking forward. So from here, jump and land. Good, let's try once more. So let's go together. We'll go 1, 2, 3, and we'll jump on 3, okay? 1, 2, 3. Good, excellent. Okay, so now I'm just going to show you how we can progress this a little bit. So if you remember a previous exercise from the lohas, where we go up, down, here. So we're going to combine the two. So from here, we go up. So as you jump forward, throw the arms up, throw the legs back. Good, excellent, great. Once more. On 3. 1, 2, 3. Excellent, good. Okay, now for the finale, and at this point I shall take off the microphone and place it carefully here on the side of the pool. Excellent, if we can go around to here. So, we're going to now try the same jump into the pool. Good, so just squat down first of all, hands on the edge here, and just look to basically push with your legs up and forward as much as you can. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Okay, well done. High five. Good stuff.